In this demo video, I am going to show you how to configure and use xMarketer Suite to engage with your website users. Once you have received credentials for your xMarketer account, you can visit app.xmarketer.io to set up your workspace. On the login screen, you can enter your email ID and your password, and then click on Login button to activate your xMarketer account. After successful verification, you will be taken to the activation page where you can set up your workspace. Your workspace is like your personalized dashboard. It will be hosted on a unique subdomain and will be accessible through a unique URL. Here, you can enter a name for your workspace. It can be the name of your website or your company. The first step is to set up the xMarketer Messenger on your website. With xMarketer Messenger, you can have live audio calls with your customers, have face-to-face conversations, send and receive voicemails and video mails directly from your website. To set up the Messenger, you need to copy and paste the script on your website, HTML pages, your checkout page, landing page, or any other page where you feel your user would benefit by talking to you directly. Once you deploy your website with xMarketer Messenger script, this is how the Messenger is going to look to your potential users. Your users can simply click on the xMarketer button on the right bottom corner of your website to open and close the Messenger. You can now start having real-time conversations with your potential buyers or send them recorded messages. In the second step, you can see the URL of your knowledge base. Your unique knowledge base was created as soon as you activated your workspace. You can open this link to see your live knowledge base in action. You can share a link of your knowledge base on your website and with your customers. You can add frequently asked questions on this page to answer commonly asked questions. Your customers can also raise tickets from here, which you can resolve from your workspace. With these two simple steps, you are now ready to take full advantage of your xMarketer workspace.